Hey everyone, Chef Patrick here from Sabroso. Welcome to my kitchen. So I've had this Instapot for a while, and to tell you the truth, I probably used it like one time, which is a shame because this Instapot really is quick and easy as advertised. It has 7 different functions, but today I'm using it for its pressure cooking ability, which will allow me to cut my cooking time in half in making this very popular Mexican dish, Birria tacos. Come on, let's get started.
You're about to have a little taste of what you're missing. But if you cannot stand the heat, get out the kitchen. Full of flavor, flavorful, save your tools. Te vamos a enseñar unas recetas del baúl. Slice, dice, chop, nice spice, hot or mild. We got it, you just name the style. One in a meal, culinary skills, prestigioso, todo queda sabroso.
Here are the ingredients. We have about 3 pounds of chuck roast that I cut into large chunks. Beef bones are best for this recipe, but since I didn't have any, I'm substituting some par-cooked ribs from the other night, and I'm extracting the flavor from the bones. We're adding some chicken bouillon, kosher salt, and black pepper. We're adding some guajillo chilies, which have been reconstituted in hot water, chipotle pepper and adobo. This will add a little smokiness, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, ground coriander, ground cumin, smoked paprika, and dried oregano. We're also adding onions, tomatoes, carrots, and a head of garlic split in half. We're going to sear the beef, so we're utilizing the saute function on the Instapot. To the pot insert, we're adding about 4 tablespoons of oil. Now we're going to season our beef with salt, liberally, and pepper on both sides. Then we're going to add them to the pot. Making sure to sear them on both sides. Now add the vegetables, the spices, and the chicken bouillon. Add the pre-cooked ribs. You can also use short ribs or even oxtails for this recipe. And add 2 quarts of water. Give that a quick stir to combine. And attach the lid, making sure there's a complete seal. Cook this for 30 minutes. This will allow the impurities to rise to the surface so you can skim them off. Once that's done, add the guajillo chilies and chipotle peppers, which were pureed in a blender. Give a quick stir and add 1 tablespoon white vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar. Place the lid back on and lock in place. Now press the pressure cooker function and add a 1-hour cook time. The benefit of using an Instapot is that I can cook this beef until fork tender in half the time that it takes me to do it on the stove. After 1 hour, release the steam valve and wait. And wait until all the steam is released. The red valve should be in the recessed position. Open the lid and let the flavors just waft over your soul. If you want, you can thicken the broth, but I like it just as is. Season to taste. Now let me show you what pressure cooking did to this meat. Crushed it. Remove the beef and the ribs from the pot. Look at how that meat just falls off the bone, and the beef breaks down at the slightest touch. Now that our beef is ready, let's start the birria taco. In a large saute pan over medium-high heat, take a corn tortilla, dip it in the beef broth, and add it to the pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of the shredded beef on 1/2 of the tortilla. Now I like to add a little bit of onion and cilantro. Top with the shredded cheese of your choice. Then fold the other half over to form your taco. I like to push it to the side of the pan so as to keep the filling inside. Add a little bit of that chili oil that's sitting on top of your broth and pour it over your taco. This will help to crisp it up and also give a great color. Sear on both sides until nice and crispy. And the cheese is all gooey. Now dip that birria taco into the broth and get ready for a taste explosion. I need another bite. Oh yeah, there you have it, birria tacos, Instapot style. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like these, click that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all new content. And remember, food can look good, but if it doesn't taste good, your cooking is in vain. So make it sabroso.